Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you quadratic equations 10th standard ICSE syllabus. Then quadratic equations. Okay. What is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation means an equation with one variable in which the highest power of the variable is 2 is known as quadratic equation. Say, example, 3x square plus 4x plus 7 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. The equation contains one variable, that is x, and its highest power is 2. So this is a quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a not equal to 0. A, b, c are real numbers and x is a variable. Why a not equal to 0? If a quadratic equation means it's the variables, the highest power is 2. If a is equal to 0, the first term, the highest power of the term will be 0. So the condition is a not equal to 0. And then next is discriminant. What is discriminant? It is discriminant D is equal, it is denoted as capital D, and which is equal to b square minus 4ac. And next is, if a quadratic equation contains only two terms, one square term and the one power term, that type of quadratic equation is called affected quadratic equation. That is, for example, 3x square plus 2x. This quadratic equation contains only two terms, that is first power and square term. So this is called affected quadratic equations. Next is if the quadratic equation contains only only the square term, square of the unknown, it is called a pure quadratic equation. For example, x square is equal to 4 or 3x square minus 8 is equal to 0. That means the only square term, the variable contains only square term, that is called a pure quadratic equation. The variable's higher power is 2, that the equation contains only the square term variables, the highest power only 2. This type of quadratic equation is called a pure quadratic equation. Next is how to check the given equation is quadratic equation or not. For example, 3x minus 2 into 2x minus 3, which is equal to 2x plus 5 into 2x minus 1. So first we simplify this equation. We'll get 3x into 2x will get 6x square, and 3x into 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 9x. Then this one minus 4x minus into minus plus 6, which is equal to this one 4x square minus 2x plus 10x minus 5. So while simplifying, we'll get 2x square minus 21x plus 11 is equal to 0. Is the form of the standard form of the quadratic equation. A square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. And next is next for the quadratic equation, 3x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Show that x is equal to 1 by 3 is a solution. And second one, x is equal to 3 is not a solution. Okay. Then first, 3x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then put x is equal to 1 by 3 in the given equation, then we'll get 3 into 1 by 3 whole square plus 5 into 1 by 3 minus 5 into 1 by 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, then 3 into 1 by 9 plus 5 into 1 by 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 3, and we'll get 1 by 3 plus 5 by 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. Equal to 0. We have to prove that this is equal to this 0, equal to 0. So we'll get 6 by 3 minus 2, that is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 0, that is 6 minus 6, then 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, that is LHS equal to RHS, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. That is 0 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 by 3 is a solution of the given equation. Next, x is equal to x is equal to 3. Then given the equation is 3x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then put x is equal to 3. Then 3 into 3 square plus 5 into 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 3 into 9 plus 15 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 3 into 27 plus 15 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then this is equal to 40. 40 is not equal to 0. So LHS not equal to RHS. To show that LHS equal to RHS. So LHS not equal to RHS. So x is equal to 3 is not a solution. Not a solution. And next is find the value of p. If x is equal to 1 by 2 is a solution of the equation is 2x square plus px minus 6 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 1 by 2 means 3 by 2. That is the equation is 2x square plus px minus 6 is equal to 0. Then we'll get 3 by 2. 2 into 3 by 2 whole square plus p into 3 by 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. Then 2 into 9 by 4 plus p into 3 by 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. So the 9 by 2 plus 3p divided by 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. That is 9 plus 3p minus 12. Then we'll take the LCM, which is equal to 0. That is 3p minus 3 is equal to 0. That is p minus 1 is equal to 0. That is p is equal to 1. The value of a p is equal to 1. Okay. Next video we will discuss about to examine the nature of the roots. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please share, subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.